As you make decisions for your new home, make the easy decision and choose Nu-Wool Premium Cellulose Insulation. Insulation plays a vital role in the energy performance, air sealing, and sound control of your home. Nu-Wool is not only the ideal choice for comfort and savings, it's the premium choice. Made from recycled paper, Nu-Wool is non-toxic and can be installed in the sidewalls, attics, and floors of your new home. Check the labels of other insulation products as they may contain toxic or harmful materials. The performance of Nu-Wool cellulose insulation is backed by an industry-leading 10-year guarantee on energy bills. That's right, Nu-Wool will guarantee the cost of your heating and cooling bills and will cover any costs that exceed the guaranteed amount. No other insulation manufacturers provide a guarantee like this. Not only will your home be quieter and draft-free, you'll feel the added value in the sound control, energy savings, and thermal performance of your dream home. You will find comfort in knowing what's in your walls, while enjoying the energy savings and thermal performance of your dream home. Make the eco-friendly, good for your budget and home decision and choose Nu-Wool.